After a couple of years without a release, the Xiaomi Mix series finally released a regular Mix smartphone back in August. However, it appears that the next regular Mix smartphone may arrive sooner than we expect. A recent report shows that two Xiaomi models get registration with model numbers 2202121C and 2202121AC. The brand on the submission page is Mix. This suggests that these devices should be the Xiaomi Mix 5 and Xiaomi Mix 5 Pro. As of now, there is no concrete report on the specification of the upcoming Xiaomi Mix 5 series. Xiaomi will improve its display and camera according to recent reports from at DCS. Xiaomi's next-generation flagship is developing customized high-resolution underscreen proactive specifications. This solution will have a more refined screen effect than the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, perhaps up to 2K level resolution. If this is possible, it will be at the same level as regular mainstream flagships. Unfortunately, increasing the camera shooting effect means decreasing the screen quality. While Xiaomi was able to increase the underscreen camera output, the display cannot be high resolution. This is an area that requires development and is a bit regrettable for many. We expect that by next year, the effect of the underscreen camera will be better. Thus, there will be no need to make a choice between screen quality and screen performance. This will greatly promote the popularization of underscreen proactive cameras. In another report, at DCS also claims that the 200W wired fast charging for smartphones will enter mass production next year. Of course, the expectations, for now, are that the Xiaomi Mi Mix 5 will launch both the 200W fast charging and the